Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
If you'd like to know more about how the engine computer identifies which cylinder is misfiring, you can read our technical explanation here. To find out the most likely causes of the P0316 code, read on below. The most common reasons for a P0316 code include ignition system problems, e.g., faulty ignition coil, fuel supply problems, e.g., faulty fuel injector, anti-pollution equipment problems, e.g., clogged catalytic converter, sensor problems, e.g., faulty crankshaft position sensor, internal engine malfunction, e.g., worn camshaft, vacuum leak, obsolete PCM software or incorrect PCM. What are the common symptoms of code P0316? You'll usually feel when the cylinders in your car's engine misfire at idle. Here are the common symptoms associated with a P0316 code: check engine light, poor engine performance problems, e.g., rough running, lack of acceleration and hard starting, reduced fuel economy. How to diagnose code P0316, as there are many possible causes that could trigger code P0316. Diagnosis can be a little tricky, especially if you're not an automotive expert. In such cases, we recommend that you seek the help of a professional who can accurately diagnose the code and provide you with the appropriate resolution. How to repair code P0316. As mentioned, there are many possible causes for a P0316 code. There is no definitive, one-size-fits-all solution, so you may be better off leaving your vehicle in the hands of a mechanic. For example, replacing one or more of the parts listed below has proven to be a common solution for code P0316 on many vehicles, but be careful using the parts canon, as this can be very expensive. Guesswork is always a bad bet. If you don't know enough to pinpoint the problem, stick with the cheap and easy stuff. For example, start with the spark plugs. In any case, here are some repairs that have been reported: spark plugs, coils on spark plugs, COP, ignition coils, catalytic converter. Spark plug replacement has been confirmed to work on a 2004 Ford Explorer XLT 4.6L V8 and a 2006 Mercury Mountaineer Premier 4.6L V8. Meanwhile, replacement of all ignition coils worked on a 2007 Mercury Mountaineer Premier 4.6L V8 and a 2002 Ford Explorer XLT 4.6L V8. Remember that there may be different patches for a vehicle, and no single patch will work for all vehicles. Before performing any work on your vehicle, be sure to read your owner's manual. For more detailed repair instructions, try consulting online automotive repair guides and resources. You can also get a single vehicle all data subscription, which should be useful for dealing with this code and other future repairs you may need to carry out on your vehicle. Fault code P0316, fault code P0316. JPEG code P0316. JPG P0316. JPG. In conclusion, understanding the role of the Powertrain Control Module in managing misfiring cylinders is crucial for maintaining engine health. When the PCM detects a misfire, it can deactivate the affected cylinders to prevent further damage, which is especially important when dealing with diagnostic trouble codes like P0316 and the P0300 series. By addressing these issues promptly, you can ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, ultimately extending its lifespan. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insights on automotive care and maintenance.